Hi everyone, welcome to day 20. This is about fishy fish and the chirping smoke detector. There it is up there. Its batteries have been changed. It just likes to chirp, and the reset button has been pressed lots of times, but it just wants to chirp. Alright, but this is about fishy fish. Alright, well, first of all, here is the chair and the book that I'm standing on, so that I can barely reach my smoke detector. Let's go up, fishy fish. This is not safe. Alright. Nope, it fell off the chair. Can't do this with one hand, so let's just look up here. Oh, fishy fish, how do you feel that this thing is going to be going off all night? Me too, that's how I feel. Let's look at it. I bet it'll do it for us again. There it is. There it is. Fishy fish. What should we do? We already tried changing it. We called maintenance. They said they're gonna come tomorrow. Means we still have to get through the whole night with this. Maybe it'll just stop. Maybe it just won't ever do it again. Me too, fishy fish. Alright, thank you for this improv puppet show. Good night.